So for this first tutorial question for the simple harmonic booklet number 6, we give extract information as usual. We know the acceleration is 12 meters per second squared. The amplitude is r. So know what these symbols mean. The amplitude is r, which is 110 millimeters, and the displacement x is 80 millimeters. The relevant formulae, if you look at the formula sheet for the exam, that's this. So that 3 vibrations at the end are the 2 formulae that we're using here. Any other formula you need to remember. So if we go back, A equals omega squared x is the formula we need because we know A and we know x. That's going to allow us to find omega, and omega is related to the period of the wave. So we need to remember that omega is 2 pi over t, and we're after the periodic time t, so we can find it. To rearrange this formula for t, and then calculate omega using this formula here. So go ahead and see if you can do that and come up with a value for t. So remember, r and x need to be in the appropriate units. So r 0.11 meters, x 0.08 meters. So the period is 2 pi over omega, where omega is the angular velocity, but omega is given by, if we rearrange this formula, omega is the square root of a over x. So put the numbers in. We know a and we know x, so we can calculate t. And so period turns out to be 0.51 seconds. So to find the velocity, again, the formula that you need is on the formula sheet. V equals omega root r squared minus x squared. Well, we know omega, r and x, so we can just plug the values in to calculate v, which turns out to be near enough 0.92 meters per second.